Hi, my name is Kiana Stewart with Allstate the Stewart Group.
And I'm Carrie Sidbury with U.S. Mortgage Corp.
I'm Cecily Shelton, attorney with Dickinson Law Group.
And I'm Dionne Sanford, real estate agent with the Sanford Dream Team Realty.
And we just got done with the Sanford Dream Team Home Buying Seminar down here at Dickinson Law Group. It was absolutely amazing. You missed it. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness.
Great information. But guess what? You still have a chance. It's not too late.
There's another one May 19th.
Absolutely, you heard Kiona right. May 19th, we will be down at one of the most sought after new construction site where we'll be having people come and taking a tour, right?
Yes,
Tell me about it, Dionne.
Home buyers tour. We're going to tour some new construction properties, as well as we have free gifts.
Yes, free food.
Free parking.
And you'll get to work with an agent to view things from the buyer's perspective.
Yes, in addition to all that free stuff, all that touring, all that great information, we are going to be doing on the spot pre-approvals. Yes, for those who qualify. So we want to see you there. See, we want to help as many people become homeowners over the next 6 months, and we cannot do it without you. So we need you to share this video. We need you to share this video with as many people as possible so they can get the details to come on down May 19th.
Call your cousins, call your sisters, call your brothers.
Everyone you know, right?
Yes. And details will be coming soon, so just keep on watching us, following us. We will have all the details laid out to you guys real soon.
Absolutely. We're so excited and can't wait to meet you. Sanford Dream Team.
Helping
families
live
the American dream.